Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: mic permissions and a working headset. Once confirmed, open PubG and go straight to settings, then audio and voice chat. You choose team, all, or off as the initial mode because that determines which channels you'll hear. Make sure to select the correct mic input device if your system shows multiple options. This first move saves time and prevents redoing later steps. Once done, you're ready to adjust levels and advanced options next. Next, you handle detailed audio controls for clarity. Choose the mic input and use PubG Test tool to speak and confirm your voice registers without clipping. Then balance voice chat volume versus mic volume so teammates are audible but not overpowering game sounds. If background noise bothers others, enable push-to-talk and assign a comfortable key. This prevents accidental broadcasts. Once levels feel right, save settings and rejoin a match to confirm in a live chat. Make small tweaks until conversations are consistent and clear. To finish, verify changes by re-entering a lobby and speaking to a teammate. This confirms the channel and volume work together. If voice chat still fails, restart PubG or your device because session resets often fix stuck settings. Also check platform privacy and firewall rules which can block voice traffic. Make sure squad privacy allows voice. If problems persist, test with a single friend and try swapping headsets. Lastly, document one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.